So I got one final question. What learning principles does this use? So you can pause the video now and have a look which principles you think you can apply. If you pause the video, good. If not, we'll just go through it now anyway. So whole task, part task practice, breaking down questions into smaller parts, right? That's what we do here. Right. So this is used. Let's make this a different color. This is used. Practice specificity. Practice questions we're struggling with. Yes, right. Practice questions we're struggling with. Practice intensity, right? We're going to be repeating questions, right? Which we've done here. Practice intensity, so finding a challenge point, doing questions that are hard for us, right? Doing past papers, so we made a mistake. So we're obviously going to be doing questions which are challenging enough. However, initially, right, when we're going through the textbook and we're revising what we needed to, we're doing easier questions. So it balances out. Practice variability. We're practicing multiple types of questions when we go into the textbook. We practice contextual interference by going through the questions once, right? Looking at the questions we got incorrect, doing them all again. So that difference between doing them initially and then doing them later is what that contextual interference is. So we are completing that. Distribution of practice, this is up to you. And spaced repetition, right? Doing questions repeatedly. So that's kind of down here as well. So essentially, if we don't review past papers, we don't understand them, there's almost like nearly no point in doing them. For example, if you look at Usain Bolt, he was the fastest man who ever lived. Do you think that he would go into his training sessions and not review his technique? He would have cameras reviewing his technique, refining it, getting it better. And that's what we're doing now. Once we do a past paper, it's good, right? It's good to do past papers. But we need to see where we went wrong as well. And that's what really gets us marks. If we can correct if we can correct the questions we get wrong, then we can end up getting more right. So keep going with this, and I'll see you in the next lesson.